Asset protection is a product that offers you protection if your vehicle is written off. Did you know that if your vehicle is written off due to accident, fire, theft, or adverse weather conditions, most motor insurers will only pay the current market value of the vehicle and not the original purchase price you paid for it? This won't be enough money to replace your vehicle and may not even cover any outstanding finance. For example, you buy your car for £15,000, then 2 years later it's written off. The insurance company will pay out the market value of your car, which at that point may be worth £9,000. However, if you had an asset protection plan, it would pay out the gap between the insurance payout and the amount you originally paid for the vehicle. In this case, that's £6,000. If there's finance outstanding on your vehicle and the settlement is higher than the payout from the insurance company, our asset protection plan covers this too. There's a quick and easy claims process with a personal claims handler to help you throughout. And if you sell your car within 3 years of taking out an asset protection plan, you can get a pro rata refund. Now you can't get fairer than that. Our Bridge the Gap booklet provides further details written in plain English, and our colleagues are happy to answer any questions you may have. Full terms and conditions are available on request.